Today I'm going to show you an instructional video on how to use Microsoft OneNote. This is the OneNote application on my computer. I have pulled up here the first page, and then you can see these tabs here have the different folders that I have. So these are my chemistry notes, and you can see how you can click anywhere and make a text box, start typing wherever you want. You can drag and drop this stuff and move it around. And then we can come over here and see this folder where I've copied and pasted off of the internet. And this is the Indiana State Teachers at Technology Education Standards. And then we have SAE tabs, but this here is a link that'll take us to this page. So this is what I have copied and pasted on that other piece here. And you can insert that link by making a hyperlink, copy and pasting it right there, and just click OK. You can move it around. And then we can go to look at the SAE page. And then there's another new notebook. And I'm also going to show you the online version. This is the online notebook, which as long as you have a Microsoft account, you can log into anywhere. So this is my clipped article from the National FFA website. And then there's a link here that'll take you to where the website that I clipped it from. So these are just some of the ways you can use Microsoft OneNote. And I can show you some highlighting as well. So if you want to highlight that, we're going to go to the home page. There's how you highlight. You can change text, everything that you want to do. It's basically a digital notepad.